Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Notion account, workspace admin access, and a clear integration name. Once confirmed, open Notion, click Settings and Members, then Integrations. Create a new internal integration because that generates credentials tied to your workspace. Give it a concise name, choose the minimal scopes you need: read, write, or database, and explain the why briefly. This reduces risk and keeps permissions tight. After saving, Notion shows the token. Copy it now and keep it secure. Once you have the token, store it in a secure vault or environment variable. Do not paste into chat. Next, grant the integration access to specific pages or databases. Open the page, click Share, add your integration, and confirm the permission level. Make sure you capture the database ID by opening the database and extracting the ID from the URL or using a copy ID tool. You'll need those ID for queries and updates. Finally, test a basic read call to verify access and token validity. You finish by running a real request. Use curl or postman to call the database's endpoint with the authorization header bearer token. If it returns data, integration works. If not, recheck scopes and that the page/database is shared with the integration. Once done, implement token rotation and environment variables in deployment to limit exposure. If problems persist, verify you're using the right workspace and ID formats, and remember to look for 401 or 403 responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.